So this is a 2001 Audi A6 Quattro 2.7 turbo. Ran into a no spark issue yesterday. It was running and it just shut off on me on the highway. First thing I did was I pulled a wire off one of the coil packs. I put 3 strands of copper in there, held it against my finger, tried starting it. It wouldn't start at all. It's cranking, but there's no spark. So I ended up ordering a crank positioning sensor. I got this from Amazon for 12 bucks opposed to ordering it from Advanced Auto Parts, which was like 79, 80 bucks. So I did scan it yesterday. Nothing was coming up. But a friend of mine was doing some research. He said my aftermarket radio could be causing that problem. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the fuse and try scanning it again later. As of right now, I'm replacing the sensor regardless. I'm going to show you what it's doing. I don't want to kill my battery because I've already been cranking it just to show my friend, but you can hear it. It's cranking fine, no start. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in here and get this thing pulled out. So here's the view from the top. I removed the coolant reservoir. You can see that the nut is between the 2 lines right there, and it's just too tight up here. I'm gonna go from the bottom. And here's the view from the bottom. Unfortunately, my ratchet is too thick, so I'm gonna have to try to get a wrench on it. So here's the location of it. It is under the driver's side, right above the driver's side axle, and that is a 10mm bolt in there. The oil lines over here will not allow you to get a ratchet in there, so you have to have a wrench. I believe this is the problem, fellas. Look. So you can see how what I had to do. The harness was falling apart, so the wires were all dry rotted, so I just stripped them down. I'm going to twist them together and electrical tape them up just to get this thing home today so I can order me a new harness pigtail. So here's the old one, here's the new one. There's this aluminum like retaining clip that has a seat in it, and it only fits on one way, so you want that little seat down against that red O-ring. So there it is seated. I'm gonna wipe it up. So you can see I got it fed in from the top. I'm gonna go ahead and push it in. See the hole right there? The one on the left with the 10mm hole next to it. You can see how it seats down inside there. I got it all the way in. I'm just gonna crank it down now. Still ain't got no spark, boys. Put it all together. Get out of here. And still nothing, so messing with my 3D printer. Gonna do some research and go back to the drawing boards. If you guys have any ideas what it might be, I'm checking the cam sensor next. Let me know.